Take a look at our weather around here. Not as exciting as in Florida, but we do have some weather to talk about.
We do. We have some minor changes. Now we're not as sunny as we were yesterday at this hour. We've still got that cloud deck over Portland. It is a cloudy start to the afternoon here and quite nice. Temperatures in the mid-60s. Again, it's been a beautiful morning to get outside. Any drizzle has pretty much let up. The coast might still be getting some patchy spots of drizzle, but really this cloud deck in place keeping us fairly gray as we begin our afternoon. Here's a look at Portland. You can see those clouds overhead here. Again, quite nice though. Out to A. Also, we are cloudy up in Ridgefield. Same for Kalama. Seaside getting a little bit of a sunbreak there. So heading into today, some of these clouds will start to push out. This will also limit heating. So in general, our highs today only in the upper 70s when we did manage 90 degrees yesterday in Portland. So a little cooler today. There's the coast again. You can see those conditions in place. Still a lot of folks enjoying the beaches today. We're sitting in the mid 60s right now. Models are showing these clouds will start to work out the door as we head towards the afternoon. We should see a mostly sunny finish, but I do suspect it'll take a few more hours to see these clouds pushing out. So even into 2, 3 o'clock today, we may still be partly sunny and partly cloudy at times. Again, observed temperatures have been mainly sitting in the 80s. We saw that triple-digit heat wave as we polished up our June. A couple of days there in the 70s, but in general, the last 5 days have just sat in the mid-80s with near-perfect summertime weather. Here's our temperature trend moving forward. After a cooler day today, we'll start to warm up. Thursday, low 80s. Then we hit the 90s on Friday, and we'll stay in the upper 80s to just about 90 Saturday through Monday. So our temperatures kind of move back into this hotter summertime pattern. Not expecting any rain either. We're still tracking wildfire danger. Right now, a fire weather watch in place throughout the gorge here as gusty winds ramp up, mainly from the west. And this tends to occur through the afternoon hours. So again, we could see some wind gusts around 30 miles per hour. Always a concern at this point in the year as we continue to stay dry towards the gorge and in central Oregon. And these wind gusts, any fires that do start, those fires will spread rapidly. In terms of wildfire smoke, we do have the Jack fire out towards the Umpqua National Forest there out of Roseburg. Also the Bootleg fire in the Klamath County, the Klamath Basin. That will likely push some smoke more towards the southern parts of the state here, even out to Medford by tomorrow morning. We may see some patchy smoke setting up and air quality dropping. Notice how not much smoke at all is around Portland. These winds are going to push that smoke towards the southern sides of the state here and also out towards the east. So we'll track the smoke again. Medford may be a spot that sees air quality starting to decrease. In general, we're staying dry here. Ridge of high pressure starting to rebuild and will amplify across the west coast as we head towards Friday and the weekend. That's why we're going to warm up here. And again, no rain either. A dome of heat likely setting back up for Southern California out to Nevada. We may see some triple-digit temperatures down south across the desert southwest. In Portland, not quite seeing that excessive heat, but out in southern Oregon, we could see some days over the weekend in the 90s, possibly triple digits right there towards the border of California. So we'll track that here, but Portland likely staying in the 90s as we head into our weekend here. But today, cooler, upper 70s with some afternoon and evening sun breaks, mid 60s today for the coast. Here's your 7-day forecast. We'll see warmer temperatures by Thursday, back to afternoon sunshine, and we'll keep that morning cloud, afternoon sun pattern all weekend long. Temperatures likely near 90 degrees Friday through Sunday. That's your weather. We'll be right back.